back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I know some work from home job leads are from smaller companies, startup companies, companies that you don't know very well, and some people might be a little bit skeptical about working for those companies because you don't really know what the future holds for the company. However, Staples has been around forever. The large office supply company is hiring remote work from home, a web specialist. Now, on this job posting, it says this job is available in 4 locations, and there's a See All button. If you click See All, it comes up and it says any location, remote, United States. So it does not look like they have any state restrictions. Of course, if you're interested in applying, the link to this page is in the YouTube description box below this video, so you can go to it and hit apply now and put that application in. Now, they are paying $20 an hour for this. Down here it says salary $20 to $25 an hour based on experience, but right here they started out at 20, and I guess you can get raises and go up from there. But they're basically looking for somebody to provide support to the sales representatives. You're going to be processing e-commerce or online orders from various online platforms, providing positive customer service in all interactions. It does not state whether you'll actually have to be on the phone talking to the customers or if you'll be messaging them back and forth on an online platform that they put their order in on. That might be something to ask in the interview. You're also going to analyze customer order expectations and art files as needed for processing. You're going to make independent decisions on the customer's behalf to resolve all orders or processing discrepancies, keeping the company's profit in the front of your mind. You're going to proactively communicate solution-based selling in order to maintain customer satisfactions in all areas of the online web service. Now, as far as what they are looking for, they are not requiring any kind of a college degree. They're looking for somebody who has 2 years of relevant work experience, but they do not state what that experience has to be. Someone who has customer service knowledge and good communication skills. Of course, you have to have good computer skills. You need to be able to work an email, and especially those Microsoft Office applications, Excel, Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, all the things. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.